Tell us your name and what you're doing.
My name is Sophie, and I'm holding a box chicken.
Have you ever held a chicken before?
I did, but it was at Calif.
At Connolly Ranch, maybe?
Yeah.
But I never hold a baby chicken.
The first time holding a baby chicken. Oh.
Yeah.
What do her feathers feel like?
Very soft.
Soft, yeah.
They're really hungry. For some reason.
There you go.
No.
Piggy! Get it out of my hand, not out of the bucket. No, I know. Okay, so Sophie, you're going to take handfuls, remember?
Yeah.
A sprinkle.
Put this in the other one.
They know the drill.
He carries, the ferry has got to do his moves.
Do you see fish, guys? Are they coming up?
Wait, I was supposed to be.
Wait, just a second.
They already got to go. They already got to go last time.
Who was here yesterday?
No?
Okay, you can go, Elion.
I
Thank you,
was
Max.
here yesterday. That was Max. It was only me.
Okay, two people engage in a little while. Maybe we'll let someone else go so we can take turns, okay? Do you guys see? I don't see the fish today.
But I never ever got to see them.
I bet if you stand really still,
Baby fish!
Max,
Over there!
Max,
I see.
keep your voice down. And if you
There's
stand,
baby fish over there.
Max, if you stand really still, am I?